red alert is over in Amritsar now. People can resume normal activities. That's the information that we have at this hour. An announcement made by the administration that normalcy prevails and people can return and go back to their regular activities is the word from the administration. Red alert over in Amritsar. People can resume normal activities is what the administration has said. Asim is in Amritsar getting in more. The administration, Asim, like you've told us, has announced that there will be a short siren. It means you can resume a normal activities given that the situation has been calm and regular life had come to standstill in the sensitive city of Amritsar, isn't it, for the last few days or so?
Well, now the district administration has flashed a message that it is green. Now it is red alert is over and things are back to normal. You can resume your normal activities. So this is a big breather. Since the ceasefire has happened, this is a big breather for the people of Amritsar. And you can see all around, we are in a busy market. This is a place which is very, very popular, where people come every day to have a tea in the morning. And since the Amritsar administration flashing a message that it's green now, people can resume normal activities, then it's a good sigh of relief to the people. Sir, एक बात बताएं, अब एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का मैसेज आया है कि ग्रीन हो गया है, रेड अलर्ट ओवर है और सीज फायर है, सब ठीक हो गया, इसको किस तरह देखते हैं?
पॉजिटिव तरीके से देख रहे हैं हम, इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे टुगेदर इकट्ठे हुए हैं तो चाय पीने के लिए सुबह की मॉर्निंग वॉक के बाद।
तो बड़ी टेंशन रही, सीज फायर हुआ और अब जो कहा जा रहा है कि अब जो ग्रीन है, रेड अलर्ट ओवर हो चुका है, लोग नॉर्मल निकल सकते हैं।
हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया, पीसफुल रहना चाहिए माहौल, काम अच्छा होना चाहिए, व्यापार चलना चाहिए, अपना यारी दोस्ती बनी रहनी चाहिए और ये मौसम और ये माहौल एंजॉय करते रहना चाहिए।
बड़े लोग अब निकल के आए हैं, रश बहुत ज्यादा है।
हाँ, ये तो रहेगा, आम जिंदगी तो ऐसी ही है।
Saw that people are happy about this, that things have de-escalated now as the red alert is over and administration flashing a message. So you can see all over the people jam-packed here in big number coming out for the normal course. So we have people here, sir. Sir, red alert जो है वो over हो गया है और डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने मैसेज किया है कि सब नॉर्मल है, इसको किस तरह देखते हैं?
बस बहुत अच्छी बात है जी, बहुत शांति रहे तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, सबके लिए बहुत अच्छी बात है जी, बिल्कुल।
So it is good for everyone. This is what people of Amritsar say, that peace is good for everyone. Things have de-escalated and the administration flashing messages that the red alert is over has made people happy over here.
Absolutely. And continuing to be with you, Asim, also just give us an overview of how people are getting back to their regular activity. I mean, at the end of the day, it's Sunday morning. A lot of people step out for breakfast, want a day of relaxation. It was pretty tensed up, very, very tensed up rather in the last few days or so. And a sigh of relief that the people are heaving at this point in time, isn't it? Asim.
Yes, definitely, because people have seen a lot of tension, a lot of aerial disruptions. We have seen drones all over and Indian troops firing them down. People have kept indoors. People have slept without electricity. So this has kept them on toes. The people were also a little worried that what will be happening. But now, with the administration messages coming up that everything is over, things are normal, the people have flooded the market. You can see in the morning, Sunday morning, people are out to have their breakfast, have a morning tea. So it's a great message that that has come, and the people are happy about that de-escalation that has happened. So the people have gone through a lot of tension. People have gone through a lot of tension, lot of stress because, the Pakistan did a misadventure heavily day before yesterday over Amritsar. It fired a lot of drones and missiles around the district, which were shot down by the troops. But this is a big news for the people of Amritsar, as this is a very, very important tourist destination. I will remind you, we have a lot of tourist destinations here and a religious capital also, because the Golden Temple, lakhs of people come here every day. So, but the last few days, the hotels had got empty, the people were keeping away, the tourism had been hit. But now, things are normal. You can see the streets of Amritsar jam-packed with people as the administration saying that everything is normal. Sir, सब नॉर्मल हुआ है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का एक मैसेज आया है कि अब सब चीजें ठीक हैं, लोग पहले कितना जी सकते हैं, किस तरह देखते हैं डी-एस्केलेशन हुआ है?
ये नॉर्मल लग रहा है लेकिन हुआ नहीं है।
Some people also feel that there must be other things also, but overall the popular.
All right, Aseem, getting in those details. I'll come back to you in a moment from now. Aseem from Amritsar at this point in time. My colleague Sharat Kumar sent us this report from Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Again, another city that was hit badly given its proximity to the IB. Let's take a look.
भारत पाकिस्तान के बीच सीज फायर की घोषणा के बाद आप देख सकते हैं किस तरह से यहाँ पर जैसलमेर में सामान्य स्थिति है। जो लॉकडाउन की स्थिति बनी हुई थी 3-4 दिनों से, लोग अपने घरों से बाहर निकल रहे हैं। सुबह सुबह यातायात सामान्य दिख रहा है, दुकानों पर चहल पहल है, बाजार और सुबह सुबह ही गुलजार नज़र आ रहे हैं। कल जैसे ही सीज फायर की घोषणा हुई, यहाँ पर लोग जीत का जश्न मनाने के लिए आ गए थे, मगर धीरे धीरे खबरें आने लगी कि इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर पर सीमा पार से ड्रोन देखे जा रहे हैं, मार के गिराए जा रहे हैं। जैसलमेर में धमाके की आवाज़ आ रही है। उसके बाद जैसे ही विदेश मंत्रालय ने कड़ी चेतावनी दी और सेना को कठोर कदम उठाने के लिए खुली छूट दी, पूरे पश्चिमी सीमा पर श्रीगंगानगर, बीकानेर, हनुमानगढ़, जैसलमेर, बाड़मेर कहीं से भी कोई गोलीबारी या फिर ड्रोन देखे जाने या फिर किसी मिसाइल, किसी भी तरह की कोई घटना नहीं हुई। पूरी तरह से शांति है।